What's up, everybody? Today, I don't know if you can see, but there's stuff around me. And this is going to be a first for me because I am making slime today. And not just any slime, I'm fixing some of the slime that I made earlier today that didn't really turn out very well. So, yeah, let's get to that. First, I have a bowl of, it's like not that bad, but like it's pretty bad. So yeah, let's get to fixing it. So like I already added some shaving cream in here. So yeah, let me just mix that up. Honestly, some of these we're just gonna have to knead. And okay, so look, it's like super duper stringy, and so that's what I'm trying to do. Oh wait, crud. And I do have a towel under me, so if like you see me wiping my hands, it's not. No, I'm not wearing. I forgot to get my gloves on because I don't want to get that messy doing this. Okay, these gloves are like 5 times bigger than my hands are. So, there we go. Now, I can pick it up and I can start working with it. So yeah, this is turning out pretty well. I should add some lotion in it. BTW, this is lavender body lotion. That stuff smells, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like lavenders and, oh my god, I love lavender. Like, I have lavender everything. Even my room color is like a lavender purple. Really? It's for dryer. So, like, if you hear any annoying sounds in the background, that's our washer and dryer. Okay, I guess you can move now. Okay, I'm taking the gloves off now. Oh my god, y'all. If y'all hear me, like, sniffling, it's because I feel, like, super duper sick. Not like, I don't know how to say it, but, like, I feel a little sick. I don't feel like throw up sick. I feel like I just have like a little fever, or not a fever, a little cold, which could lead to a fever. But I don't feel hot. I don't feel cold. Like I'm perfectly fine. It's just really, cat, shut up. So yeah, look. Yeah, I told y'all, I'm not even going to be adding, I don't have any coloring. I'm really sad I ran out today. But the detergent already makes it a little minty green, so some of these will become iceberg slime. I love iceberg slime. Ooh. Okay, so for my birthday, I got a little looming set. If y'all don't know what looms are, I would go and get it, but it's too far. I don't want to get up. Oh yeah, this is a good slime. Like, just listen. Just listen. Oh my god. Okay. So I got a whole bunch of beads. So I'm just gonna, okay. Had to get a spoon. So I'm just gonna pick some of these up and sprinkle it in. I I did this a couple days ago, and the beads tend to get everywhere. Like, just like stretching it will like make some of them come out. You hear that? Okay, hold on. Let me mix this first. Okay, so it's in a bowl right now. Hold on. It's in a bowl right now. Only because the little seed beads get mosquito on me. But it's a super good slime, and I really love all of the fun. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Also, I have this slime in the back that I made earlier today. Oh my God, this is like the freaking fluffiest slime ever. This also has some of the seed beads in it, but not as much. I'll actually add a few more. I don't want to add a lot to this because this is like my favorite freaking slime. Just listen. Just listen. Oh my God, I love it. I know I'm not poking it right. Don't go into the comments and say, "Oh, Ava, you're not poking it right," or like something like that. I like this channel, and I do what I want on this channel. This is also going in a bowl. Okay. Just look at it. Just beautiful. That's gonna be iceberg slime. This one is going to stay the way it is. I would play with it on the table, but like again, the seed beads are, you know what? I'm gonna add more shaving cream. Nope, putting back the gloves. Hold on. Got him on. No. Oh no, I knew this was gonna happen. Crud. Okay. It's like they're flying everywhere. Like y'all don't see them, but like they're everywhere. They're even on my gloves. Okay, I think it's safe to say I can take these off for now. Okay. That's better. Nice, fluffy, and airy. Okay. Next slime. Wow. Okay. So this slime was the slime I made earlier that didn't work. It just turned a very pretty green. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix this poor mopey slime. And then we're gonna have a nice little slime. So I think I want to add glue first because I feel like this slime definitely needs some glue. That's a lot. Yeah, no, that made it watery. I gotta add some lotion in anyways. I didn't add some in earlier. No, that just made it... Dang it, Ava. I forgot. Lotion melts it. That's why it makes it stretchier. Maybe some shaving cream. I love shaving cream. I put a whole bunch. Oh my god, why? No, I don't think this is gonna work. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. Oh, what? Oh, yo. Yes, it's starting to work. It's starting to form a little. Yes, we're getting slime, y'all. We're definitely getting slime. Nope, no, we're not. We are kind of. I guess I'm gonna start kneading. Oh my god, it's super stringy. This definitely needs more glue. Thankfully, I have this towel down here. If you didn't see that, rewind and watch that. What just happened? No! I almost dropped it twice. No, this is not gonna work. Nope. Don't think this is working. No. I had such high hopes for you. Such high hopes. Hold on. Okay. This poor slime, it's goopy and watery and hairy. What the heck? Why is there hair in it? Okay. And I have my hair tied up, so I don't know whose hair this is. The dude that just came out? Yeah, he doesn't even have hair. What the... Let's just get on to the next slime. I have no words to say for this slime. Okay. Let me set this down. What are you? Are you a glob monster? What are you? I'm very confused, and I'm gonna start fixing this. I'm gonna Billy. I'm gonna start off with getting some more glue in here. I definitely don't need any more. Maybe this has too much detergent. Okay, so a couple, like, hours ago, my mom, my friends made some of these. And so I don't know what they did. That's why, like, some of them are really watery. That's wrong way. This one was made earlier by me, because I don't trust any of my friends anymore. Because they make this type of stuff and that type of stuff. And actually, this one turned out really well. So I'm really happy. Okay. Yay, glue. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. I know this isn't the bowl that I was using earlier. This bowl is, but it's got all of that stuff in it. Oh, yay! Yeah! Yeah! Oh! So far, like, only one of these slimes actually turned out, which was this one. I need to put my gloves on. I'm gonna get some more gloves. Hold on. Got the gloves on. Okay. This is so not slime. If I need detergent, I'm just gonna dip it in this and keep on working it. Oh my god, what is this? This is not a very good slime, and it's very, very tiny. Like, I kind of wanted it tiny anyways, but I'm gonna add some shaving cream because I don't like this green color. This is our final one. Anyways. Okay. My parents are being stupid. Okay. I keep on dropping like little pieces of it as like I'm kneading it. Okay, okay. So this slime did not turn out to be what I wanted it to. It's still super duper tiny. So, and it's like very streamy. Like this is an overactivated one, and I have no more glue. Yep, no more. Why life hates me? Who knows? So I'm gonna clean this mess up, and we're gonna look at all of our slime. So yeah. Okay. Cleaned up, and now we're going to go over all of these. I was gonna say beautiful slimes, but we all know that's not the truth. Well, this one is very pretty. I really like this one. So let's get on to it. So move all of those. So this was our first one that we fixed. I'll play with it on the table. Like, yo. Come on. Like, you can't possibly say... Oh my god, I love this. You can't possibly say that this isn't a good slime. Like, if y'all could feel this right now, it's so light, and it's airy, and it's pokeable, like... It's crunchable. It's amazing. I gotta pick up all these beads that it's dropping though. Like there's some all over the freaking camera. My mom's obviously FaceTiming some of her family. BTW. As like I'm playing with the slime, I just wanted to tell y'all I'm from California. And yeah. Okay. Next slime. We'll pick all these beads up later. Says Ava, yet we never do. Let's go over to this one. we all know this one. Ugly as heck and not very pretty. Okay, we are still rolling. Don't even know what this is here. Like, this is just like, so it's like soup that my mom eats whenever she's sick. So, next. This okay slime? I mean, like, it's slime. We're just gonna say that. It is slime, but it's overactivated and there's hairs from God knows who. Okay. This was our first slime we fixed. And it's a pretty nice slime. Like, honestly, it's just the beads that fall out everywhere. That's it. Its only flaw. This, too many flaws to count. This one is just a bowl of mess that's probably going to be thrown away soon. This is an okay slime. Like, honestly, I said this before. It's an okay slime. It is slime. It's just weird, overactivated yuck slime. And this one, my favorite, So, we didn't even fix this one. I've just been playing with it during the video. I love this slime. Okay. Oop. So, that was all of our slimes today. Hopefully, you have a very good day or night. It's 8 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock over here, so, who knows what time you're awake, what time you're asleep. Don't know, but I do know that you did something. You watched this video. High five. Anyways. Oh, that was a good one. I would do like a big bubble, but honestly, I don't know how to do them that well with fluffy slime. So, yeah. Hope you have a great day, and yeah. Bye now. See you later, alligators. Peace.